In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gmail Smart Compose. If you've noticed Gmail finishing your sentences as you type and you'd prefer to write emails entirely in your own words, this quick walkthrough will show you how to switch that feature off. Smart Compose suggests phrases and endings based on what it predicts you want to say. Some people love the speed boost, but if it nudges your tone in ways you don't intend or you simply find it distracting, turning it off is simple and fully reversible. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into the account where you want to make the change. Look to the top right of the inbox for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that gear to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page with all available options. You'll land on the General tab, which is exactly where you want to be. This tab controls most of Gmail's writing and display preferences. Scroll down patiently until you find the section labeled Smart Compose. In that section, you'll see options for writing suggestions. Select Writing Suggestions off. This tells Gmail to stop inserting gray predictive text as you type, so your cursor won't autocomplete phrases or propose endings mid-sentence. After you've made that selection, continue scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page. This next step is easy to miss but essential. Click Save Changes. If you navigate away without saving, Gmail won't remember your preference, and Smart Compose will remain active. When you click Save Changes, Gmail will briefly reload and return you to your inbox with the new setting in effect. From now on, you'll notice your messages no longer show the light gray predictive text. If you ever want those suggestions back, repeat the same path and set Writing Suggestions to on. Keep in mind that Smart Compose is different from Smart Reply, which shows one-tap reply buttons below messages. If you want to leave Smart Reply as is, there's nothing else to do. You've only changed Smart Compose. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Settings apply per account, so if you use multiple Gmail accounts, you'll need to adjust this setting in each one separately. Also, this walkthrough is for the desktop web version of Gmail. The mobile apps have their own settings screens, so you'll manage those separately if needed. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Smart Compose in Gmail and taken full control of your writing experience.